In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create this PowerPoint slide. I also want to thank all of you for your support. It's what motivates me to keep creating. All right, let's get started. First, let's delete the current slide and insert a new blank slide. Go to the Insert tab and select the picture you want as your background. Once the picture is inserted, go to the Picture Format tab. Under Crop, go to Aspect Ratio and select 16:9 so the picture fits the slide perfectly. Now cover the entire slide with your pictures. Let's add our title. Go to Insert and select Text Box. Draw the text box and type your title in it. Now let's insert our 3D plane. Go to 3D Models and search for an airplane. Choose this airplane and insert it. Once inserted, choose this flat view from the 3D model views. Let's rotate it, increase its size, and place the airplane in the middle. Now go to Insert, Shape, and choose this shape from the flowchart category. Draw it like this. Let's zoom out and increase the size. Go to Rotate under the Format tab and choose Flip Horizontal. Adjust the size because this shape needs to cover the first slide. Let's zoom back in. Select the airplane, right-click on it, and choose Bring to Front. Now adjust the shape until it perfectly fits the wings of the airplane. Next, I'll select the shape, go to the Format tab, and change its color to black. Then go to Shape Outline and select No Outline. Go to Insert and select Text Box. Now write the first slide's topic there. And make some changes to the text. Let's change its font style and increase the character spacing by 30 points. Make it bold and increase the font size. Place the text in the middle of the shape like this. Let's also give the text some effects. Select the text, go to the Format tab, and under Text Effects, choose a glow option you like. Now select the shape, the text box, and the airplane by holding the Control key and group them by pressing Control+G. Now let's duplicate this slide by pressing Ctrl+D. Go to the first slide and zoom out a little bit. Bring the grouped image into position like this. The text should be in the middle of the slide. Now go to the second slide. Zoom out and move the grouped image to the outside of the slide like this. Next, select the second slide, go to Transitions, and select Morph. Increase the duration as you wish. Now it's all done. Let's see the slideshow. Perfect. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Let me know your ideas in the comment section, and see you next time.